Hello there, pumpkin friends. Long time no see. It's Chad from Colorado Giants. Today is November 23rd, almost Thanksgiving. As you can see, I have been working in the greenhouse. Some things I've done. I'm trying to avoid the dead chicken that apparently a predator drug in here. And let's talk about all of these things and all this stuff. Stay tuned. So now that you've suffered through that intro, appreciate you tuning into the channel. I've taken a little bit of a break. I do have content filmed for how the season ended, what the final weights of the pumpkin were, and all that good stuff. I just have to edit it all together. This will be a simple video, 2 or 3 clips for me to stitch together and upload. The other ones I tried to do a little more in depth. But the season was a success for sure. I have harvested all the seeds from the pumpkins. It will be free seed time here very soon. I will make that video. I might make that video today, so that everybody can get their bubbles in the mail. Or if you want to, go to coloradogiants.com and I will upload them there as well. So what do we got going on? What do we need to do? That's a great question. Thanks for asking. I took the tractor. I put the forks on it for the forklift attachment, and I basically went around and I stabbed the pumpkin patch about 1,000 times, 100 times. I will maybe overlay the clip of that here of me just going all around the pumpkin patch. And what I'm trying to do is just flip the soil. There is a hard pan of clay, maybe, I don't know, 18 to 2 feet down. I'm trying to get that, pop that up, because I'm going to till and add some amendments to interrupt that clay. So I want to flip everything over and just, I did that over a week ago when we've had some really cold temperatures. So just trying to expose some of the soil to cold temperatures, kill some disease, flip things around. Hi, welcome back. So what I need to do today is I need to take out the heating cables, and I'm going to rototill. I'm going to put that on time lapse because that might be very entertaining to watch as I rototill through these, I don't know, 300, 400, 500 pound clumps of dirt that I have, that I've dug up. I mean, you can see some of them are like the size of my foot, and some of them are the size, man, probably 2 foot by 3 foot by 18 inches or so. So it could be a very bumpy ride for me on the old BCS tiller, but the only way to find out is to actually do it. So enough talking, I'm going to get to it. So 2 hours later, I'm tired. I'm going to go take a break. I got pretty much the vast majority of it tilled up real good. I still have a handful of boulders like these guys over here, and I need to clean some schmutz up along the side of the greenhouse so I can mow through that without any fear of sucking up a T-post or something, or some drip tape over there. But yeah, so that is it for now. I'm going to go take a break, and then I got to coach Max's soccer game here shortly. So I will finish this up at some point, but do know I am doing things, and I will have videos very soon on how to get your free seeds, and also how the year wrapped up for us here in Colorado. So appreciate you watching. If you have any comments, questions, queries, comment below, and have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody. See ya.